Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Google's next big thing is right around the corner, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. We've got full specs, launch dates, and next level upgrades. Let's get into what makes this the smartest Pixel ever. Google is expected to officially unveil the Pixel 10 series at a Made by Google event on August 13, 2025, with devices landing in stores starting August 20 to 28. Massive 6.8-inch Super Actuo OLED, resolution 2992x1344, 120Hz refresh, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Powered by the next-gen Google Tensor G4, built on TSMC's 3nm node for better performance and efficiency. Configurations include 16GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB storage. No 128GB base for the XL model. Under the hood, 5200 mAh battery, the largest ever in a Pixel, from a larger vapor chamber. Charging gets a boost, 39W wired, plus 15W Qi2 wireless charging. Triple rear camera setup remains, 50 megapixels main, 48 megapixels ultrawide, 48 megapixels telephoto, 5x optical zoom. Selfies upgraded, 42 megapixels front camera, capable of crystal clear 4K video. Ships with Android 16, enhanced with Material 3 UI and a full 7 years of OS and security updates. AI advances include on-device smarts powered by Tensor G4, expect upgraded voice assistant features, photography enhancements, and more. If you love the Pro XL 9/10, but wanted more battery and speed, this might be your upgrade. What are you most looking forward to, the giant battery, blazing performance, or pro-grade cameras? Sound off in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're first in line for our full review after launch.